Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Modern abstract shape composition in Photoshop using custom shapes. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a wide canvas to allow free placement of abstract elements. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw large fluid or geometric shapes across the canvas as the base composition. Duplicate the main shape, resize it slightly, and place it behind to create layered depth. Adjust fill colors so one shape dominates while others support visually. Reduce opacity of background shapes to keep the focus clear. Align shapes carefully so no side feels heavier than the other. Zoom out and refine spacing until the abstract composition looks balanced and visually smooth.